Hello everyone, I'm Princess Perpose, and I'm here to present my final project, a mobile application called WeGoGo, a simple yet smart ride booking app. I worked on this project alone and took on multiple roles including programmer, documenter, and designer. In this video, I'll be answering some guide questions based on my experience and contributions. The very first screen shows the WeGoGo logo. Introduction loading screen. Shows an image of a motorcycle with a brief text like book your ride. Gives users an idea about the app purpose booking a motorcycle ride conveniently. Login screen. Fields for entering email and password with a login button. Allows insisting users to log in securely before accessing any features. Sign up register screen. Fields for full name, email, phone number, and password, plus a sign up button. New users can create an account to start booking rides. Mag-create tayo ng account. Sign up tayo. Ito na ang home screen. Dito ka mamimili kung anong motor at sinong rider ang pipiliin mong i-book. So, choose your ride. Dito mo isi-set yung booking ride mo. At ilagay ang location. Location mo kung saan ka susunduin at kung saan ang destination. Ordaneta. Destination Puzorobio. Maglagay ka rin ng book type. Kung immediate or scheduled lang. Ang lalagay natin na scheduled. At dito mo isi-set ang date and time para sa schedule mo. June 1. I-set mo rin yung time kung anong oras ka pick up. $5:30. Okay. I-select mo rin kung anong route preference na gusto mo. Fastest route or scenic route. Pindot natin ito. Confirm booking pagtapos mo na ma-book. May lalabas dito pag na-book mo na. Booking submitted successfully. Dito mo makikita yung schedule mo ng bookings. Chat. Pwede mong i-chat si admin kung anong gusto mong sabihin. Hi. Sa profile, pwede mong i-edit dito ang pangalan mo. I-save mo. Yan ang lalabas. Transactions. Privacy policy. And then log out. Punta na naman tayo sa admin page. Admin account. So, ito ang admin dashboard. Lumalabas dito kung sino yung mga nagbo-book. Ito ang pending. So, ito yung binook ko kanina. Ito yung mga nag-book. Dito mo makikita yung user list. Ito na yung mga nagawa kong account. And dito, makikita mo yung mga all status. Yung mga pending at approved na at yung mga nireject. So, ito yung makikita mo yung chat. Ito yung chinat ko kanina. Kaya Princess Perpose ang lumabas dyan. Kasi inedit natin yung pangalan kanina. So, i-approve ko na ito. Booking mark as approved done. At dito mo makikita. Log out. So, ayun lang. For programmer. First question. What was the most challenging part of the project? The most challenging part of the project was integrating a real-time, location-based booking system. It involved managing user inputs for pick-up and drop-off points, making sure the app responded quickly, and solving layout issues across different Android devices. Debugging and optimizing this feature took a lot of effort but was very rewarding in the end. Number 2. Can you briefly discuss Android development and your experience with it? Android development was a valuable experience for me. I used VS Code and Flutter to build the main features of the WeGoGo app, such as login, booking, and transaction tracking. I learned how to handle UI design, activity transitions, and data validation. This experience really helped improve my programming and problem-solving skills. For Documenter, what makes your app unique compared to other similar applications? WeGoGo is unique because of its clean and focused design. Many apps offer too many features that make the interface complicated. Ours provides only what the user truly needs, a fast and easy booking experience, with a modern layout and fewer distractions. It's user-friendly, responsive, and efficient, which makes it stand out from the rest. For designer, does your app's design meet user needs? If yes, please explain how it addresses those needs. Yes, the app's design definitely meets users' needs. As the designer, I focus on creating a clean, accessible, and visually appealing interface. The color scheme of green and black gives a modern look and ensures good visibility. Buttons are easy to tap and navigation is simple. The overall layout was designed to guide users naturally from one step to the next, making it perfect even for first-time users. Thank you so much for listening. Again, I am Princess Perpose.